Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program an Infiniti G35 key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, including any existing ones, as they will all be programmed simultaneously. Make sure your car battery is in good condition to avoid interruptions. You'll need to access the ignition and the door lock button, so familiarize yourself with their locations before starting. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. To begin, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, then immediately turn it back to OFF. Do this quickly, about 6 times within 10 seconds. The hazard lights should flash twice, indicating you've entered programming mode. This step is crucial for the system to recognize new key fob signals. Once in programming mode, take your first key fob. Press and hold any button on the fob for about 1 second. The hazard lights will flash once, confirming that the fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more key fobs, repeat this step for each one. After programming all fobs, turn the ignition to the OFF position to exit the programming sequence. This saves all new settings. After completing the programming, it's essential to test each key fob individually. Step out of the car and try locking and unlocking the doors, and perhaps even the trunk, to ensure all functions are working as expected. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the process. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals. Enjoy your newly programmed key fobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.